I'm gonna try to do some Mickey Labubu ears. I'm taking Patricia. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready and do my makeup so I can go to the Dollar Tree with my sister and try to find some stuff so we can make our Labubu ears. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna just see what there is because I'm not really an artsy craft person. Like, I don't really know. So I'm gonna take my sister and we're just gonna see what they have, and if we get any inspiration or something, we'll show you guys that. So I got this crazy idea of trying to make some Mickey Mouse ears for my Labubu, but I couldn't really find anything on Pinterest or anything else like that. So I'm gonna have my talented sister. That's gonna be on camera.
No!
Are you gonna make the Elvis?
Well, actually, no, because we don't have any.
There's bacon.
But we have no
Jelly?
jelly.
My mom made strawberry jam.
Don't go make the Elvis. You only live once, bro.
Anyways, I'm gonna have her make some ears for my Labubu. I'll show you guys what I have so far. So this is a bobby pin that I pretty much opened up with some pliers, and it fits perfect on my Labubu head. But you see how it has like these little dots? It's like the paint from the bobby pin. So what I'm thinking of doing, because this is, I'm literally leaving in not tomorrow but the next day. I want to use some tape to make this a little bit thicker, and on top of that maybe put some fabric. So I'll have her kind of help me with that. But other than that, I don't even know how to make the ears. I've seen people glue it, but I do have glue. Oh, and I also have some gems. I'll show you guys. So my light for my camera died, but once I charge it, I'll show you guys with better lighting. So this is what I have. I have this B70 glue. Honestly, I've had this in my room for like the longest time. I don't even remember what I bought this for, but I haven't used it. I'm pretty sure it's been in there for like at least a year or whatever. But it has these little gemstones in black, and they're different sizes. But I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this tape this up, and then we'll figure it out from there. I'm gonna wait for her to finish her sandwich. What are you gonna make? She's not gonna make the Elvis anymore. She's not gonna put bacon. Never mind, she's making it with bacon. Also, one slice?
It's gonna die.
And that's pretty much what it looks like. Put it on. And then we're gonna add some fabric on it and then shape the ears. That's pretty good.
Looking pretty good.
Okay, so I decided to just use this fabric for the actual bow itself, because I can't find anything else. And either ways, these were gonna be used as bedazzled, or I was gonna pretty much like DIY them and make them cuter, but obviously I never did. This is so far what she has. Okay, new plans, you guys. So my mom had these like crochet bows. I decided to use that instead, and we're gonna stick it on the Labubu. It is kind of big though, but I think it looks cute. Look at that. Sorry, I'm like holding it with one hand. Okay, so she's sizing up. So we went from this size. So we went from this size to that size. Ooh, those look so cute. You see? Look at that. But she just used this like painting paper, so it is actually like a very hard is this for watercolors?
Yeah.
So it's a watercolor paper. Did you destroy your art for me?
Yeah, I don't really care about it.
But yeah, it's thick paper. You can probably use cardboard from like a cereal box or any box that you have at home. We were gonna sew it, but I think we're just gonna glue it, right?
I said, hell no, I'm not about to do that.
She could have, but
I don't want to waste my time.
honestly, I was gonna sew it too, but if she's gonna do that, I don't mind.
If it works,
And I think this glue is actually for fabric. I could be
I don't
wrong,
think
but
so.
no.
It smells like E6000.
Well, it's E7,000.
You get it off of Shein?
I did actually buy it off of Shein. Why? Is that against the law or something?
No, I just think it's funny as a joke.
Oh, Benny's here. So the reason I got a Labubu was because it reminded me of him. Look at him. This is my real life Labubu. He just came from a walk. You good, boy? I think these are a little too big, girl.
They're not going to be that big, Nancy.
Okay.
Oh, there was one where this girl sues her employer because they've been paying her without her actually doing anything at her job. She's like, you can't just pay me for doing nothing at work. And the comments were like, when your lobster's too buttery.
Probably more of the story.
She was complaining because she was getting paid for doing nothing.
You read the lawsuit, or?
That's what she said.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Maybe there's more to the story.
Well, it's a freaking joke, Jimmy.
Yeah, Jamie, it's a joke.
Probably more to the stories.
It's a joke. And then don't forget to bedazzle it. I'm helping too, you guys. I'm like behind the scenes.
Okay, so before putting the back on, that's how big it's gonna be.
Oh, they're gonna go on the side, so he's gonna have 4 years? No, it's fine. Okay, so this is the second one she's doing. Oops.
What did you do?
Nothing. So she's pretty much cutting like the edges. Why'd you cut so many?
So it's easier for me?
Yeah, so she just cut like the ends so it's easier to push in, I guess. I don't know. We'll show you. Wait, don't cover it. Oh, see, that's what she's doing. She's technically, like, if you think about a empanada, she's like, she's pushing in the little corners. Party in the front. Ooh.
Who did your hair?
Oh my goodness, girl. It's okay, you guys. Just finish it. Just fold. World star. Come on. Oh, he's freaking out because of this. He's freaking out because of this. Benny! Oh, the dog's outside. What are they saying, Benny? What are they saying? Do they not know that you're the leader of this pack? He literally just came from a walk too, so I don't know. I'm sorry, but you guys, this is embarrassing. Oh. He farted. Oh, he's trying to catch his tail.
I'm sorry, Nancy.
Okay, so I finished the Labubu last night. The ears don't really match because I added a little bit too much glue on mine. And then my sister used all the big gems on there. And it also doesn't really stick. It doesn't actually really stay on. My mom said I should have made this longer, which I thought it was long enough. But what I'm going to do, just so it's like secure and stuff, I'm honestly just going to add like a little, I'm just going to like sew it onto the Labubu itself. Maybe from the back, I'm not really sure yet, but just so it's secure and I don't drop it when I'm over there in Disneyland. But these are the ears. And now we are finally heading to Disneyland. It's been a while. I want to show you guys who I'm taking with me today. I'm taking Patricia. I'm just kidding. I don't have a name for this. But this is the Labubu that my sister pretty much made, the Disney ears. So we're going to take her to Disneyland. I did have my capybara, I think that's what it's called. But the string's kind of like falling off and I don't want to carry two. And I was telling my boyfriend that it reminds me of him. But I'm not going to take both because the little string might fall off. I would have to go home and fix it. It's literally holding on by 2 threads. That's funny. But I would have taken them like this if they both fit. But we're going to take our Labubu to Disneyland. Oh, and I just want to mention, like, the reason why I really wanted a Labubu was because it reminded me of my dog Benny. Because he's a little menace, but these are girls. So this would be the girl version of Benny. But anyways, let's go to Disneyland, get on some rides and try some food and spend my boyfriend's money.
Veuillez rester assis jusqu'à l'arrêt complet du bateau. Attendez jusqu'à ce que l'hôte ou l'hôtesse